Hi everyone and Assalamu alaikum. Maha here with another easy breezy recipe. Today I'm bringing you the most yummy-licious muffins ever. And the great thing about them is that they are healthy. They're banana chocolate chip muffins. And you ask me how they are healthy? Well, because instead of plain all-purpose flour, I have used a combination of oat flour and all-purpose flour and made some more healthy swaps to turn these muffins into a healthier version. These muffins are so easy breezy that even if you're baking for the first time in your life, you'll ace it. You just need to mix dry ingredients and separately mix wet ingredients and then combine the two. Add chocolate chips and that's it. Pour it in the muffin tray and bake. No fancy ingredients, no fancy equipment. This recipe is easy enough for the kids to follow and make. Here are all the ingredients you'll need. 1 cup mashed ripened bananas. This roughly equals 2 to 3 bananas depending on their size. 1 egg. 1 cup oat flour and half cup all-purpose flour. Now you can use whole 1.5 cup of oat flour or 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour. The choice is yours. Oat flour makes these muffins more healthier. So that's why I like the mixture of both. Quarter cup milk, half cup melted coconut oil. You can use any oil, ghee or butter. Coconut oil makes these muffins more healthier and gives a nice mild coconut flavor to the muffins. 2/3 cup sugar, 3/4 cup chocolate chips, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence and 1.5 teaspoon baking powder. Here's how to make these delicious and healthy banana chocolate chip muffins. In a bowl, add all the dry ingredients, which are the flour dough, sugar, and baking powder, and then give it a good mix. Now, in a separate mixing bowl, add all the wet ingredients: mashed ripe bananas, coconut oil, vanilla essence, milk, and 1 egg. After you have added all the wet ingredients in a bowl, give it a good mix. You can see that I don't even need a fork, let alone a beater, to whip these muffins up. Now add the dry ingredients mixture in the bowl and mix these two batters very lightly. Once they come together, add chocolate chips and mix again. Thank God I spotted the eggshell, or someone would be eating a crunchy muffin and getting an extra dose of calcium. Now the batter is ready to be poured in the muffin cups. I called my trusty helper, my 7-year-old, to help me in lining the muffin tray with the muffin cups. She is such a blessing, and guess what? She just asked me if she could have her own YouTube channel. Uh, well, I have said yes. So I've told her to bring some ideas and brainstorm and let me know like what would you like your channel to be. So let's see. While filling the muffin cups, make sure that you only fill 3/4 full. Place them in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 25 to 35 minutes or until their tops are golden. Here's how they looked after 15 minutes of baking, and my kitchen already smelled divine. And here's how they looked after 25 minutes of baking. They were still not golden from the top and they didn't rise back up when I pressed them on top. So I baked them for 8 more minutes. Quick tip. I think I should start calling my quick tips Maha's quick tip. So, Maha's quick tip. Do not insert a fork or anything to check the cake or cupcakes. Just press the top. If it bounces back, then it's done. If you can see your finger imprint, then it still needs some time. These here are now done. The baking time varies from oven to oven, so it's good to keep a check and always set a timer for initial time like I did for 25 minutes instead of 35 minutes. Once you have pulled them out of the oven, let them rest in the muffin tray for 5 minutes and then take them out on a cooling rack. Let them completely cool before serving them. If you're feeling greedy and start peeling off that muffin cup to take a big bite without them being cool, then let me warn you. Half of the muffin will be stuck to the muffin cup. So let it rest until it completely cools down. Just wait a few more minutes and then you can have that chocolatey goodness all to yourself. Maybe share a few with your kids too. The best thing about these muffins are that they can be kept in freezer for up to 3 months. Actually, my kids don't even touch the bananas as soon as they start getting those speckles and black patches. Whereas it's said that they are more beneficial when they are ripe. So, instead of wasting them, I wait a day or more and let them overripe. And then make a few snacks and freeze them. And one of those are these banana chocolate chip muffins made with oat flour. I'll be sharing few more recipes in the following few days on how to use up all the overripe bananas, so stay tuned. Hit that like button if you like today's banana chocolate chip muffins and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. And press that bell icon to get all the updates on what's cooking at Maha Shack. If you have already subscribed, then thanks a lot for giving me your precious time. Comment down below and let me know, do you eat overripe bananas or make something out of it? Thanks for watching and bye for now.